Hi everyone, it's Zorkan. Today we have a problem when we are given a sorted linked list which has a duplicate. What we need to do is we need to remove the duplicates and return the again sorted linked list. So for example, in this case, let's say that in this example we have two duplicates. We have a 1, so 1 is repeated twice. We have a 2, 2 is repeated. 1 is repeated 3 times and the 2 is repeated twice, and we have 3. We need to return as a result 1 is pointing to 2 and the 2 is pointing to 3. So how we are going to solve this problem? The way we are going to solve is first we are creating a pointer not to lose the head of the linked list, so we are creating a separate pointer which is pointing to the head. Then we are in the while loop while our pointer and the pointer next, while they are not equal to null. So what we do is we are checking that if pointer value equals to the pointer next value, so which means that if the value of 1 in this case, right, if the value of 1 is equals to the next node's value, so which means that the 1 is equals to 1, then in that case we are pointer next, so our 1 pointing to the next node. So instead of pointing to this node, we are pointing to the next node, so which means that we are removing this from here, right? So it's not pointing to this node, it's pointing to the next node. Now again, we are in the next iteration, right? We are comparing the pointer next, the pointer value, and the pointer next value, which means that this value, are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Yes, they are equal. So which means that again, pointer next now pointer next now is pointing to the pointer next to next, which means that it points to 2 now. So it points to 2. It points to 2. And now again, we are comparing in the next iteration, is the value of 1 is equals to value of 2. No, they are not equal. In that case, our pointer moves to the next node. So pointer moves to the next node, which means that we are moving here. Now we are here at 2 and we are comparing. Is 2 is equals to value, if this value, if the value of this node is equals to the value of the next node, yes, they are equal. 2 is equals to 2. So what we do is again, our pointer next, now this node, instead of pointing to the 2, it points to the next to next, which means that it points to 3. It points to 3. Now again, we are comparing that in the next iteration. We are comparing 2 with the 3. Are the values are the same? No, they are not the same. So which means that we are moving to the next node, and now we are at the end of the linked list. So now we have removed all the duplicates, and now we are returning head. So what's the time complexity of this solution? The time complexity is of n, because we are going over our linked list only once, and the space complexity is of 1 because we are not using any extra space. I also have identical solution in Java. I will include that into the description. That's it for today. Hope you like my content. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.